The Federal Ministry of Health and Social Welfare, in conjunction with the Nigerian Sovereign Investment Authority, MEDSERV, and the University of Benin Teaching Hospital, has officially commissioned its state-of-the-art Oncology Center, a landmark development aimed at improving cancer care and treatment outcomes in the South-South region and the country at large. BTV News Best Orator has more.
The project, conceived in 2024 by the Federal Ministry of Health and Social Welfare, then brought to life by MEDSERV in 2025, is to support the fight against cancer and cancer-related treatment and diagnosis procedures. The commissioning ceremony held at the hospital premises had officials of the Federal Ministry of Health and Social Welfare in collaboration with the Nigerian Sovereign Investment Authority, NSIA, MEDSERV, and the management of the University of Benin Teaching Hospital. The initiative forms part of a broader agenda to upgrade tertiary healthcare facilities across the country with a focus on oncology, cardiology, and diagnostics. In an opening remark, the Managing Director, University of Benin Teaching Hospital, Professor Darlington Obaseki, applauded the visionary administration of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and strategic partners and expressed the belief that the center will bring relief to sick patients across the South-South region.
Marks a milestone. It's going to bring succor, not just to the indigenes of Edo State. As we all know, UBTH is a referral center for all the states in the South-South region. So the access to care, to cancer care, oncology care, the journey to the medical journey and the financial application is going to be reduced with this. This initiative is right in line with the agenda, Mr. President, Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu. We also have, as part of the federal government program in UBTH, the renal dialysis subsidy program. UBTH again is one of the beneficiaries of this program. For 2 to 3 years now, UBTH has been one of the beneficiaries of the National Cancer Health Fund. We have treated more than 359 patients have benefited from this program, the National Cancer Health Fund, to the tune of about 430 million. All this subsidizing treatment and diagnosis of these cases. So we want to especially appreciate our President for this initiative, for his visionary leadership, for the policy he has set, and for empowering the Minister of Health and Coordinating Minister of Health and Social Welfare to achieve this.
In a goodwill message, the special guest of honor and Deputy Governor of Edo State, Right Honorable Dennis Idahosa, thanked President Bola Tinubu and the Federal Ministry of Health and Social Welfare for establishing the Oncology Center in Edo. He said the center will be of great relief, not just to Edo people, but to the entire South-South region.
And most importantly, on behalf of my principal, the Executive Governor of Edo State, is to appreciate the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, a leader that is working in line with his campaign promises to Nigerians.
Also, in a keynote speech by the Honorable Minister of Health and Social Welfare, Professor Muhammad Ali Pate, also appreciated the presidency for taking the health sector seriously and the respective stakeholders for achieving the milestone of quality healthcare delivery.
The whole infrastructural landscape for health sector is changing in our eyes, thanks to this president who chose the sector that affects the lives of the ordinary citizen and decided to make that impact. At the rate that this government is in 2 years, I think you'll all agree with me, it's been a long time before we got to 4 or 5 LINACs in the country. Now, in just short span, we're having more. So thank you, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu.
The newly commissioned Oncology Center is equipped with modern diagnostic and treatment technologies, including linear accelerators for radiotherapy, CT stimulators, chemotherapy suites. The facility is designed to offer comprehensive cancer care services, early detection, diagnosis, treatment, and follow-up in a single integrated location. Present at the commissioning were the Deputy Governor of Edo State, Right Honorable Dennis Idahosa, the Honorable Minister of Health and Social Welfare, Professor Muhammad Ali Pate, Honorable Minister of Finance and Coordinating Minister of the Economy, Chief Wale Edu, Honorable Minister of Information and National Orientation, Honorable Mohammed Idris, the Honorable Commissioner for Health, Edo State, Dr. Siri Oshamale, the Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of NSIA, Aminu Umar Sadiq, the Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of MEDSERV, Dr. Tolulokpe Adewale, the host and Chief Medical Director, University of Benin Teaching Hospital, Professor Darlington Obaseki, amongst other stakeholders in the health sector. With the commissioning now complete, the Ubth Oncology Center is expected to commence full operations immediately, providing specialized cancer care to patients in Edo State and across the South-South region. Best Orator reporting for BTV News.